Hey gang, Miss Hairbrush here. In this video we're drawing a shark, a football shark to be specific. Pistorus footballus for those of you needing the genus and species in Latin. As always, I'm doing a light outline as the first step with his mouth, and then I'll do his tail and his pectoral fins on the sides and the dorsal fin on top. Now I'll add his face. This is the fun part. Now I'll give him a slanted eyebrow because he's pumped for the big game. Alright, let's put on his football jersey. Okay, the collar's done, so now I'll add his sleeve, complete with some jersey style stripes. And then I'll add a hole at the top for his fin to come out of. Ooh, that's nice. I bet that'll keep it from sliding off when he's swimming. Guess I'll keep that in mind when I start my line of shark clothing, predator wear. I'll add a number to his jersey so he's legit. I'm using a regular ballpoint pen here. Looks like I need a new pen. The ballpoint pen ink won't run when we start to use the watercolor pens on it later. I do like my drawings to look a little rough and sketchy. They look more natural that way, which is what I want. When you do your drawings, you can use whatever style you'd like, which is part of the fun of creating things. Tell us all in the comments how you like to draw and what things you like to draw. I'd love to read them. I'm using watercolor brush pens again, and these are all the colors that I've chosen. I'm starting with black. That will give me a nice gray when it's dipped in the water. These pens are so easy to use for anybody, and they'll make your drawings look really great. Have you ever noticed how sharks are a darker color on top and a lighter color on the bottom? That's because when you're underwater looking down, things are dark, and when you look up towards the sun, things are light. And sharks like to stay hidden. Hidden till you're bitten! Now watch this ombre effect on his fin. See how it blends from light to dark? That's called an ombre, and it's so easy to do with these pens. We'll finish adding the rest of the gray to his body, and then I'll add the shading wherever there would be shadows. Can you believe there are around 440 different kinds of sharks in the world? Some sharks even spend their whole life laying on the ocean floor. They're called bum sharks. Hee hee hee, just kidding. I'll color in his mouth all around these sharp teeth. Sharks grow and lose their teeth all the time. Their tooth fairy is bankrupt. Whoops, I colored a little too close to that tooth. Oh well. Now I'll color his eye, leaving a little white circle in the middle. Wow, look how real that looks. Fantastic. I'm just using regular craft paper today, and I put all the links in the description if you want to see where to buy these supplies online. Now you'll know from my last video that I like to do the main color first and then I add in an accent color. This just makes your drawings look more real and less like a cartoon. Today I'm using light blue. It really gives that aquatic look that's so in this season. Okay, now on to his jersey. I'll make all the ribbing yellow. Look at the nice fine point I have on this pen. Oh, the precision. Going over the same spot with the same color will make it even darker. And then I'm going to put some orange in, and that will make it even darker still. With that same orange, I'm going to add some texture to this ribbing and make it look more like real clothes. So just short strokes close together will really give you that effect. Alright, it's time to color it in. I'm choosing red because I like red and I'm the boss of what I draw. You're in charge of what you draw too. So don't be afraid to make lots of mistakes like I do. The more you do, the better you'll get. So, just doodle. So we've blocked out most of the red color here, and let's finish the shading and get him ready for the game. It's the Melbourne Great Whites versus the San Francisco Killer Whales. I think the Great Whites have a great chance to win here if they can score more touchdowns and just learn to work together. Alright, let's give this guy a name here. How about Peyton Maneater? Huh? I want to thank you all for watching this video with me. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I really am having a lot of fun making these. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.